To visit Chimei Museum in Tainan, Taiwan, you have to make advance online reservation before your visit. However, foreign tourists with tourist visa may also go directly without making reservation. To book the tickets for Chimei Museum, go to www.chimeimuseum.org. To book the tickets, click on the second symbol from the top, this calendar sign. Now this window comes up. Click on this calendar and now click on this one, make the reservation, and the interface changes to English. Now click on agree and it comes to this window. Now in this window it shows where you want to book, which date you want to book. Like if I want to book for 11th of Jan, then I will click here. Here black shows available and the gray shows fully booked, and these shows closing date. So like if I want to book for 11th of January, then I will click here 11th, and then it shows the timing and the number of people available. Like if I want to book for 11 AM, then I will click on this one and then click next. Now this window comes up and it asks how many number of visitors. Like I will put 1, you can put any number, 2, 3, 4, and then name, like if I will do ABC, male or female, email address like abc.com, then the mobile number, then this verification code, then click next and your reservation is done. It shows your reservation has been made. Here is the reservation code, here is date, time, category, number of visitors. Here is your personal information, name, email and mobile phone. Now if you want to check your reservation or if you want to cancel your reservation, then click on reservation system. Now give the email address you used and the mobile number you used while booking, then click on search. Now this shows your reservation here, reservation code, date, time, category, number of visitors. Now you can update your reservation or you can cancel your reservation. For cancel, click here. So this way you can book the Chimei Museum tickets online to visit the Chimei Museum. To reach Chimei Museum, you can catch a Kaohsiung bound local train from Tainan train station. Get off at just next stop, Baoan. Remember, you have to catch a local train only, as express train does not have a stop here. Come out of the Baoan station, turn right on the road and walk for 5 to 10 minutes and you will find Chimei Museum on your left. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can let us know in the comment section below. If our videos are useful to you, like it, share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. We will meet you again with a new video. Till then, take care and keep watching our videos.